Hi guys, I'd like to welcome you guys all back to my channel, and today I'm here with a planner unboxing, and we are unboxing the April set from Villa Beautiful, and that is, I think it's the Go Wild set. So basically, if you guys don't know what Villa Beautiful is, she is a fantastic person. Everybody knows that I'm fairly obsessed with her pens. Like, these are her pens. Yes, some of them are still in their package because if I'm not using, if my planner dividers and stuff aren't matching, then I don't use said pen, and some of them go back in their cases because I just I'm that person. But I got introduced to her a couple months ago by Calligraphy by Lindsay, which is, this video is probably her fault as well. And what we learned is she does these VB kits, and you have the option of doing a regular kit, or you have the option of doing a kit with paper. And if you pre-order it, then you also get access to digitals that you can use later on. I've actually used some of the digitals from May in my Hobonichi weeks, which I'm not going to show you because it looks kind of crooked, but it's helping me because FYI, I'm coming out with some kits later on and just practicing. But for this kit, I got the paper and the full kit, so I think that was like $34. So I'm going to show you guys everything that it comes with, and we're going to first start with the paper, because the reason why I got this kit is because it basically gave me full-blown Lisa Frank vibes, but I guess since we're adults, we're going to call it adult Lisa Frank. I'm very excited to put this in my planners. Like, I need to sit down and just have a full relaxing design session. But we have 2 vellum pages, so this one is really freaking pretty. I'm going to leave the plastic there. So this one is really pretty, and then it goes into like this floral one. Honestly, of all of them, this is like the most normal one to me, and I kind of feel like it just doesn't fit how awesome the other ones are. There's this one. Actually, no, they're two-sided. Oh, they're two-sided. So you get this one on this side and then this one on this side, which I like. And then, oh, that one's pretty. You get this one. Ooh, I like that one too. So I like the reverse thing of it. I'm trying to figure out how, now I got to figure out how I'm going to do this seriously. So then it's this one into that one. And then we have this one into this one, which this is the one that immediately I was like, this is Lisa Frank. But yeah, so you get 1, 2, 3, 4. They're kind of like heavy duty cardstock. Well, not heavy duty cardstock, but they're definitely cardstock. And you get 2 vellum pages, which I'm not good at using vellum, but I'm gonna try because I also have access to the digitals. So any of them that I accidentally mess up, I can just go print them out again, which is great. So then after you do the papers, you get this kit. So every one of her kits comes in a pouch. So you can keep the pouches. I use them for when I travel with my planner. They make great travel cases for your planner. Every kit also comes with the pins. So she releases pins. Like, she's just released some spring pins. I did not get them because I'm putting myself on a pin break. But she releases them in the kit, and then she also releases the extra from the kit later on, but you usually want to jump on it. So this is just a plastic kit with the silver back. It's actually like a holographic back. And the first thing, obviously, I'm going to do a breakaway clip where you guys can see everything close up. But the first thing is this Planner in the Wild enamel pen. It's this, ironically, she actually just bought my Traveler's Notebook pen, and I'll leave a link to that if there's still some available. I'm actually almost out. If people request more, then I'll make more, but as of right now, my first edition of that pen, I'm almost out, and I'm going to re-release that pen in a totally different color design with some other special things for you guys. But yeah, we have this one, which is purple, which I'm grateful for. I think it's like an inch and a half, I think. She always makes her pens pretty big, because from the one from the March kit is pretty big as well. I can't put all of them on my pen case because the mugs are huge. So let's see. Next thing is you also get 2 washies. So I forgot the sizes on these, but this time they're holographic. Yeah, I'm going to obviously have to do a close-up because you're not going to get this on camera if I put it up in the light. But they're actually silver holographic washi, which I've never had before. So obviously I'm going to have to use these. So the next thing is the pen. And it is pink and black. And then it has, I think it's like blue, green, and then a pink and a white crystals on the inside. I'm very honest, I'm not a fan of this particular color combination of pen. But I just so happen to have a little sister who is very obsessed with pink. So if she doesn't want it, then I'll just go on the BST site. Or because if you join her Facebook group, you can also join the BST site, which is buy, sell, trade. And I can just sell this or trade this pen with someone else later on. Also, she gives you an extra refill, which keep the refills because I personally really like them. Another thing that I was actually really happy to see in this one, because normally the kits will come with sticky notes. And I don't think there's anything wrong with the sticky notes. It's just that personally, I just need to, I use regular Post-it notes at work. And her sticky notes don't always stick as well. But this one she came out with, which I'm actually going to put up here on my work wall. It's the weekly plan set. So honestly, what I want to do is, like, this will be, I guess the best way to put it is I have time management issues right now. I'm trying to balance everything that is in my life at this moment, and kind of being able to just say what I'm going to do each day and visually have it every day. It's just something that I have to do. And if I have to write it down in a million places, that's just what I have to do. So this kind of helps. I think they're sticky. Are they sticky? No, they are not stickies, but they tear away. The foil is really serious because you can feel it on the back, but I do like this one. It does look good. The next thing that we got were adhesive shimmer sheets. So I guess this is just adhesive halo foil. Not halo. Oh no, one of my pages. It's like already ripped up on the top. Can't even see it. That sucks. Okay, well, whatever. We'll make it work. So we get 1, 2, 3, 4 pages. So basically these are just overlays. So you can lay them over like whatever you want. I, however, am going to try to overlay them on some of my die cuts that I've designed myself, because honestly I wanted to test out how they would look with this. So this actually works out perfectly for me. And then the extras, I don't know what I'm going to do with, but it's always good to have like shimmer around because it's shimmer. The next thing that you normally get in the kit are like, I call them, they're not all journal cards, but these make really good like dividers and stuff in your planner, or if you just want to have like a pretty page at the front, these work good. Obviously these are very Go Wild related, and that's why we see this really cute little llama. But this llama is actually cute, is the best way I can put it. I actually like the way this llama looks. Another thing you'll get in the kit are these cards. Now, the smaller ones are journaling cards. I don't really know what we call these, but for me, I use them just for decoration in my planner. So with these kits, they all come, you know, perfect color schemes and stuff. So I've been using them just as decoration purposes. So where like this one is more pinks and purples. So I'm going to obviously switch out my pen to match this theme when I do switch it over. But I just punch holes in it. I use A5 planners, so most of the time these fit perfectly, or I actually laminate them and turn them into pockets for whatever insert I'm using. And then with these journal cards, I think they're like 5x7 journal cards. I use them when I'm making dashboards. Basically, I know a lot of people don't know what journal cards are. I actually do put, depending on what the theme is or something, I actually put these in my journal as well. I journal. I doodle journal. Yeah, that. So these I actually like using in my actual journal. And then some of them, like this one, like this Just Have Fun one. This Just Have Fun one would look really good on a dashboard. So I actually do a lot of DIY dashboarding. So these work great. Like this would be perfect for a dashboard. So I actually like I prefer I prefer these over these, but these are not bad. These would make great ones for my journal, whereas I'm already having ideas for the dashboard for that. So if you've ever needed ideas for what you could use the journaling cards for, because I know a lot of people don't know what you can use them for, that's good. I was planning on selling this kit. I just wasn't really sure what I was going to do with it, but now that I'm actually unboxing it, I kind of really like it. So I'm going to keep it. So we're going to go to the next thing, which is actually wire planner clips, which I didn't realize we could just get clips made, because I would have been making clips. I'm just saying. But it says plan and wild. Obviously, again, the Go Wild theme is serious, but it's like a holographic rainbow wire paper clip. And again, I don't have a lot of clips and stuff, but now that I have a ring binder for my business planner, I've kind of been liking clips more. And the more that I'm designing it and organizing it, and I have papers all over the place, and like I attach papers as reminders in it, these little clips come in handy. So I'm keeping these. Last but not least, one of my favorite things about the VB kits is the sticker book. Everything else is kind of always a variable because you never really know what you're going to get. But I really like the way that she's laid out her sticker books. They come with a full deco page, which I might as well just show you because I haven't seen what the inside of this book looks like. I saw a preview of the first page when she was sneak peeking them, but I have not gotten a chance. So this is what the first page looks like. It is full deco, which I actually really like. I like that it's more purple and foil. As long as it wasn't super pink, I was totally happy with this. So the next one is the icons page. So the everyday icons, I like these as well. They do fit the theme. It is very rainbowy in here, but I feel like it still fits. Then we have full boxes and yeah, I like those. And then half boxes. And then we have headers. Ooh, the headers are all foiled out this time. I really like that. I'm kind of getting obsessed with foil. I'm actually looking for a laser printer so we could get the foiling, honestly. If I had more room in my little corner, because we're recording in my corner today, then we would have a laser printer. This is the deco kit page. If you guys saw, I did a plan with me with the February kit, which was the refresh kit. It's kind of the same vibe. So obviously I'm going to do another one, and I'm going to use this sticker book. And, ooh, that's pretty. That's the miscellaneous stickers. And then, oh, this one only has 1 week. The last couple of kits have had 2 weeks worth of the Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, but it's fine. Oh, and then this is the like checklist and flags page. So that's my favorite thing for the kits every single time. But for this particular kit, I do really like the papers and the sticker book. So I don't know, I like it. I do love the papers. The papers are definitely like some good stuff for me. I haven't had a chance to sit down and plan in my planner, like just mess around in my planner in a while, so maybe I'll get a chance one of these days. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and until the next time, guys. Bye.